Checkerboard floors make a statement the moment you enter a room. Their bold pattern pulls your eyes in and sets an energetic tone. There's something magical about how two simple colors, arranged in a checked pattern, can create such a dramatic effect. Whether you see them shining in a grand hallway or peeking out from a cozy kitchen, checkerboard floors always demand attention. The visual impact goes beyond just black and white. Checkerboard floors can play with scale, color, and texture, making them endlessly adaptable. This pattern has a graphic punch that feels both classic and modern at the same time. It can elevate even the simplest space, turning the floor into a work of art. People remember rooms with checkerboard floors. They become the backdrop for family gatherings, parties, and everyday moments. It's no wonder designers and homeowners keep coming back to this pattern decade after decade. Checkerboard floors are the ultimate design power move. They show confidence, creativity, and an appreciation for timeless style, all in just one glance. Checkerboard floors are not just a modern trend. Their story stretches all the way back to the Renaissance. During that era, checkerboard marble floors graced the grandest European palaces and manors. The pattern symbolized sophistication and wealth. It was a sign that the owner cared about beauty, detail, and the latest in luxury. In the centuries that followed, checkerboard floors appeared in homes, shops, and public buildings around the world. Victorian-era houses used the pattern in entryways and kitchens, while Art Deco designers reimagined it with bold colors and geometric flair. Each generation found a new way to make the checkerboard fresh and exciting. The secret to the checkerboard's lasting appeal is its balance. The pattern is structured and orderly, yet playful and full of movement. This versatility means it can fit into almost any style, from traditional to ultra-modern. Today, designers draw inspiration from these historical spaces. By using checkerboard flooring, you're connecting your home to hundreds of years of stylish living. It's a nod to the past, but it always feels right now. Checkerboard floors come in many shapes and sizes today. The classic large black and white tiles are still a favorite. These big, bold squares create a striking look, especially in spacious rooms. They bring a crisp, clean feel that suits both old houses and new builds. Soft, tone-on-tone checkerboards are another popular choice. Instead of sharp contrasts, these floors use gentle greys, beiges, or warm neutrals. The effect is subtle and elegant. This style is perfect for those who want pattern without overwhelming color. Tiny penny tiles arranged in a checkerboard pattern offer a playful, vintage twist. These small circles add texture and charm, making them ideal for bathrooms or laundry rooms. Painted DIY checkerboards are having a moment too. With a little tape and paint, anyone can transform a plain wooden floor into a checkerboard masterpiece. Finally, peel and stick checkerboard tiles have changed the game for renters and DIYers. These easy-to-install squares let you try the look without any big commitment. With so many options, there's a checkerboard floor for everyone. Checkerboard floors work in almost any room, if you pick the right style. Grand entryways or living rooms look stunning with large black and white tiles. The high contrast pattern gives a sense of drama as soon as you step inside. It's perfect for making a memorable first impression. Kitchens love the checkerboard pattern too. The playful look suits both retro and contemporary spaces. For a softer touch, try tone-on-tone tiles in a dining room or hallway. These gentle shades add sophistication without overwhelming the senses. Bathrooms are ideal for tiny checkerboard penny tiles. The pattern adds interest without making the space feel crowded. Painted checkerboard floors bring charm to bedrooms, sunrooms, or even porches. And don't forget peel and stick tiles. These are brilliant for temporarily transforming a laundry room, studio, or rental apartment. The key is to match the checkerboard's scale and color to the room's size and mood. This pattern is flexible enough to shine anywhere. You don't have to own your home or spend a fortune to enjoy checkerboard floors. Peel and stick tiles are a renter's dream. They adhere right over existing floors and, honestly, peel up easily when you move out. No tools, no mess, no stress. You can try bold black and white, or experiment with softer shades if that's more your vibe. Painted checkerboard floors are another budget-friendly solution. All you need is a can of paint, painter's tape, and, well, just a little patience. The result? A custom floor that looks expensive, but costs very little. This DIY approach works well on wooden or concrete floors. Even small spaces like closets, laundry rooms, or kids' playrooms can get the checkerboard treatment. Use leftover tiles or paint samples to create a one-of-a-kind accent. These projects are fun, fast, and easy to update if your style changes. Checkerboard floors prove that great design isn't just for high-budget renovations. With today's options, anyone can make a big style statement, no matter their living situation. Checkerboard floors are made for the camera. Their bold lines and high contrast make them pop in photos. Whether you're snapping a shot for Instagram or capturing family memories, the pattern always looks good. It adds instant energy and depth to any picture. The geometric design draws the viewer's eye, guiding it through the space. If you love sharing your home online, checkerboard floors will make your rooms stand out from the crowd. They play well with both natural light and dramatic shadows, creating endless photo opportunities. Checkerboard floors also highlight other design details. A colourful rug, a vintage chair, or a leafy plant looks even more interesting against a checkered backdrop. The pattern frames your favourite pieces and helps them shine. In a world obsessed with visuals, checkerboard floors are the secret ingredient for stylish, shareable spaces. They turn everyday rooms into magazine-worthy backdrops. No filter needed. Choosing a checkerboard floor isn't just about following trends. It's a sign that you understand design basics like balance, contrast, and scale. Checkerboard shows confidence. It says you're not afraid to make bold decisions that stand the test of time. This pattern has survived for centuries because it works. It's not in one year and out the next. Instead, it adapts to different styles and keeps reinventing itself. Checkerboard floors can be playful or elegant, retro or modern. That's real staying power. When you install or paint a checkerboard floor, you join a long tradition of stylish spaces. You're picking a classic that never really leaves the spotlight. This isn't throwaway design. It's a thoughtful choice that reflects your taste and creativity. Checkerboard flooring proves that sometimes the strongest style statements are also the most timeless. It's design knowledge in action, not just a passing fad. Want to try checkerboard flooring? Start by choosing the right scale for your space. Big rooms handle large tiles best, while smaller spaces shine with petite checks or penny tiles. If you're nervous about bold colour, try tone-on-tone neutrals like soft greys, beige, or dusty blue. Pair checkerboard floors with simple furnishings to let the pattern stand out. White walls, wooden accents, and metal fixtures all play well with checks. Don't be afraid to add pops of colour with rugs, cushions, or art. The checkerboard acts like a neutral backdrop for your favourite pieces. Lighting matters too. Natural sunlight will make the pattern dance across the floor, while warm lamps add coziness at night. In high-traffic areas, pick durable materials that are easy to clean, like ceramic or vinyl tiles. If you're a renter or on a budget, remember, peel and stick, paint, and creative layouts are your friends. There's a checkerboard solution for every home, style, and price. Checkerboard floors never go out of style. They are bold, classy, and full of history. From grand palaces to city apartments, this pattern has charmed people for centuries. It works in any room, with any style, and for any budget. What makes checkerboard floors so special is their power to transform spaces. They're an instant upgrade, eye-catching, elegant, and always a conversation starter. No other pattern has this mix of tradition and modern appeal. So, whether you choose classic black and white, soft neutrals, tiny penny tiles, or a DIY painted version, you're making a design move that's both smart and stylish. Checkerboard floors are proof that sometimes the best ideas are the ones that never grow old. Make your mark. Let your floors do the talking. With Checkerboard, you're always in style.